this is Sven from Union Repair, and today I'd like to introduce a new product to you. This is a power line, but this is like from the normal power line. This one, because it comes with two eyes here. These are actually two buttons, and I'm going to show you how it works with these two buttons. So let's firstly come to this like common power line. This is an iPhone 6 motherboard, and this motherboard comes with electric leakage. So okay, this is a motherboard with electric leakage. So when you connect this power line, you see the current here because it's leaking the current. So I'm going to show you how this power line works with the two buttons. Okay, as I just said, this is an electric leakage motherboard. So it's supposed to read current here, but it's still zero, because there is a button here, on and off. This button is to switch on and off the power supply. So let's click. Now it's connecting. It's providing the power to the motherboard. So you can read numbers here, the current here. And you'll see there is another key here. So what this button for? So this is for turn on the motherboard. You know, the normal way is that you need to use a tweezer to short circuit to turn on the motherboard. So now let's check out how this button works. So I'd like to show you with another board. Okay, so this line is already connecting to the motherboard. So let's this is already connecting to the power, but the motherboard is not turn on yet. So let's check this button. Okay, you can see when I click this button, the motherboard is turned on. So you don't need to short circuit the motherboard. Let's just wait a while. Okay, now the motherboard was turned on. So if you want to turn off the motherboard, you just click the power supply button again. Okay, now it's turned off. So this power line is available from next Monday on Union Repair website, and I hope you like it. Thank you. Ciao.